What is this white area at the base of my bonsai mandarin orange tree? You see, it seems to be affecting the bark. It's like a white powdery area that rubs off, and below it seems to be turning green like mossy. There seems to be a problem. Look at it. Look how thick my trunk is in my bonsai tree. You can see I've been working with this tree for some time. I've had it for years. And this is a concern. I'm not sure what that is. It's a white stuff. Maybe a fungus? It's powdery. It looks like it's damaging the tree. I'm going to try spraying some neem oil on it. Let's see what that does. If you know anything about it, let me know. Here's some neem oil. That says off. It's on. Okay. There we go. I see little insects in here. I don't know what they are. There's one over there. I think neem oil is supposed to get rid of insects. I just planted peppermint seeds in some of my little planters too, because I think maybe peppermint has a potent enough smell to drive away some insects. Maybe I'll spray some of these other things here. This is a bonsai lemon tree. There's a Mexican key lime. Oh no, Mexican, it's a Meyer improved lemon, I'm sorry. Meyer improved lemon bonsai tree. I want to spray these other plants here a little bit. That is a red globe grape. I've got two different types of limes. I got bear's lime, Persian bear's lime, Mexican key lime. Over there, that's the Mexican key lime. That one is bonsai. Very small, and has fruit on it. It has 10 limes on it. Maybe add a little neem oil. This is a bonsai grapefruit tree. And it looks like it's trying to produce some fruit here. So, we'll give it a little neem oil. I'm also going to water it in a minute. I pruned it today. I've got a bonsai Eureka lemon, 2 types of lemons, 2 types of limes, a grapefruit. I've got a mandarin orange, and then I have another orange, which is a Washington navel orange. That one's got a little green stuff forming there. Those are red globe grapes back there. This is a bonsai mandarin orange tree here. Concerned about that trunk. I don't like that. It's time to water. Everything here was watered recently except for the grapes and the grapefruit tree, so I'm going to go and water those now. Let me know what you think that stuff was on the trunk of that bonsai mandarin orange tree over there. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.